Current level, 150.03. The pair is still trading in the range 149.46 to 150.86. The consolidation phase is still intact, as neither the bears nor the bulls could gain the necessary momentum to lead the pair out of this narrow channel. The overall market sentiments remain positive, but only a confirmed breach of the resistance at 150.86 would signal a possible resumption of the uptrend. If this scenario is realized, then the next target for bulls would be the resistance at 161.00. However, a correction towards the support at 148.72 is highly possible in case the bears prevail and manage to break through the support at 149.46.